Agosto lamang nitong taon nang magpakasal sina Lovie Poe at Monty Blencowe. Matatandaang sa United Kingdom ginanap ang pag-iisang dibdib ng mag-asawa na dinaluhan ng malalapit nilang kamag-anak at mga kaibigan. Ngayon ay wala pa umanong balak na bumuo ng sariling pamilya ang mag-asawa. So far right now we just want to focus sa work and us being together, bungad ni Lovie. Bumalik agad ang aktres sa Pilipinas pagkatapos ng kasal para sa naiwang trabaho sa FPJ Slater Batang Quiapo. Ayon kay Lovie ay hindi pa rin sila makapag-schedule ng honeymoon ng mister kahit mahigit 2 buwan ng kasal. Para kay Lovie ay mahirap ang kanilang kalagayan nilang mag-asawa na malayo sa isa't isa. Mabuti na lamang daw at talagang naiintindihan at suportado ni Monty ang lahat ng ginagawang trabaho ng aktres. It's going to be tough. Syempre nakakapagod ka travel back and forth but then I am a firm believer that you can do anything and everything as long as you have the proper mindset. The fact that I was able to head back straight to work after getting married in less than a week. I think it's possible as long as you are ready, you have a proper mindset. And you are doing it for the right things. I have my career, I want to have a proper balance for things talaga. It's just great that I have a strong support system around me. My husband is very supportive and I also have great team here who's helping me with work, pagtatapos ng aktres. O mga ka-check anong masasabi nyo tungkol dito mag-comment lang sa baba and don't forget to subscribe.